This Oha soup will make you hungry and may attract unexpected guests. So stick around, you're about to see a pot of magic come alive. So these are all what we've been using to prepare our Oha soup. In here we have pepper, we have periwinkle, we have Oha leaf, we have I'm making use of goat's meat and chicken. Feel free to make use of any protein of your choice. We also have our panla fish, our snail, and the star of the event, star of the super Oha leaf. Hello crystal stars, hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're so welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment so let me know you're here, and if possible share this video with your friends. We're building a food loving family here. So let's dive right in. We start by plucking our Oha leaf off the stem. We don't cut them too small. You stir gently because Oha soup is gentle but powerful. Just exactly as you can see. Just pick them off gently, then shred them. You don't cut, just shred them. We glow, crystal star. So when we are done, this is what we have. Now just go ahead to wash them. You wash till the water run clean. So I washed this for about 3 times, but I only film just one wash. So wash it, sieve it, and set aside. Now let's get cooking. We start by putting our proteins. I made use of chicken and goat's meat, so I'm cooking the both of them at the same time because it's a hard chicken, so it's going to get done the same time with the goat's meat. So I added some seasoning. I did not use so much. I added some seasoning, then a blended crayfish, pepper and onion. Now this isn't just a soup, this is a full family reunion inside a pot. So you're going to let it simmer slowly so the flavor hug each other nicely. The aroma can wake up your appetite, trust me. So I added my salt water cover to simmer. So I had forgotten that I was going to make use of stockfish, and I remember that, oh my word, how can I miss that? So I just added my stockfish, added my seafood and covered to cook. And again I also added my fish. The fish I didn't add it from the beginning because fish is very tender. So at this point I had added the fish. You add your palm oil and you cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Where dreams take flight and hearts feel right. So 5 minutes later, here comes the thickener. So some person use cocoyam, ashi or ofo. It all depending on what you love. So for this I use ofo. This is what turns the soup from meh to wow. So watch how creamy and thick it becomes. Perfect for scooping with fufu or pounded yam. This is the part where patience really pays off. So I've added the thickener. I took out the fish so it won't scatter when I'm turning. Oh yeah, I added my dry fish. At this point, feel free to adjust with seasoning if needed. And now the star of the show, our fresh Oha leaf. So you add them gently and you stir. And if you have a periwinkle, this is the best time to add in your periwinkle. So you add your periwinkle, stir it a little and turn off the heat. And there you have it. The delicious Oha soup is ready. So I serve this with oatmeal. What will you be pairing yours with? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to whom may need it, and always come back for more. Thank you for watching guys. I really appreciate you. Bye guys.